Audio is fine. I'll wait for someone to tell me in the chat if everything is it's clear. I see an error on I see a small error on YouTube. Hey Sebastian, hey Ivan, hey Michael. It's all good? Okay. I hope it's all good. We'll go to the... Okay, Manuel, thank you. We'll go to the Bitcoin chart on daily. I think this is the best time frame we can look at Bitcoin. Let's see what we have. Believe it or not, I still think the market is strong here. I see people commenting, well, we'll go lower. Well, we can go lower, but we have some support here. And even if we go to 60K, we are still strong. So I don't see why people are panicking. Well, in the election we are going lower. I just don't see it. Hey, good morning, Stefan. Hey, Robert. I don't see why people are panicking. When, let's say, I'm not saying that will happen, but let's say that Bitcoin will reach 60K. It's a selling opportunity or it's a buying opportunity at 60K. You want to hunt long ideas there? If you want to hunt long ideas, then chart is strong. Bull market is close to the exponential phase. I don't see anything to worry about. You cannot be bearish when the market took the high from 2021, accepted above this level, almost took the all-time high, push it back down a little bit to retest some levels. Look left. Well, you can see a lot of support here. Is retesting classically that level, testing this W, and people are bearish. Well, we'll go to the... Come on. Let's be real. Market is strong. If we'll see YAMS, listen to me, if you'll see YAMS on daily, YAMS on weekly, then we can think about something else. But for the moment, we tested, we accepted above 69, we tested the all-time high, we failed, we are retesting 69. Simple as that. Let's see where we'll close the weekly candle. Let's see what will happen next week. Expect high volatility candles. We have the election in the United States. Yeah, so we can test 65, we can test even lower, and then go to test the all-time high. Simple as that. So don't be bullish, don't be bearish. Be bullish here because the market is strong, but expect high volatility. If you have less than, I don't know, 5,000 trades as a day trader, swing trader, stay out. Stay out, wait for this week to pass and then start trading again. Why I'm saying that? Maybe it's ugly or sounds ugly because you are still easy to influence by emotions. Yeah? You'll have the tendency to move the stop loss, to do stupid things. Emotions have that effect on traders. So to protect yourself, to keep the same money you have now, and hope for better opportunities after, you need to stay the fuck out. Simple as that. I'm not saying to sound ugly, I'm saying to maybe some of you listen and will protect capital. Because if you enter in a trade and it's high impact, high volatility, $10,000 candle, I don't know if you can keep your, you know what, together. Okay? It's not easy. I'm not saying you to scare you. I know by my experience that it's not easy to keep your cool and respect the rules. Hey Abdullah. Hey BJ. Hey Cornelio. Well guys, that's my overview here on Bitcoin. Yeah? We are testing again now it's a support 69. We didn't close below. Not even on daily. Let's see if we'll close below. Could be a fake out and we can accept higher. We just, let's look at this one. We are just retesting this W. Simple as that. I'm long. You know I'm long. At least people who are already in a crypto traders arena know that I'm long. I have my combo Mountain Man Shark active in the market. Will fail? Well, so what? Doesn't matter. Anyway, you can see expected fail here. Why? Look left. AB equals CD. We just completed that one. I'll take this one. I'll not clone it. I'll not do anything. I'll take this one and I'll put it here. Can you see it? A, B, C, D completed. We need to cool off a little bit. I didn't want the market to accept above that high before the election. Why? Answer me why I didn't want Bitcoin to accept it. Because probably that will trigger a really nice short there. And I didn't want that. I want the market to stay below, take some lows, okay, consolidate, and after the election to push higher. Seems logical to me. I don't know for you, but seems logical to me. I didn't want that level to close above 73,800. Because if you get a 3-bar fractal there, that could sound really dangerous in the election way. Okay, now we are here at the support. We can push a bit lower, but I have support and I'm thinking here 3-bar fractal. But after I'll see how the market will close here. If I'll see the market closing below 69, then I'm waiting for a 3-bar fractal bottom here in the support. And then to push higher. You can see we can draw another AB equals CD here. From this level to this level, okay? Take this one, put it here. Simple. Anyway, we are testing 69. I'm waiting tomorrow morning to see where the market closed daily. Let's hide everything and let's see how the weekly is looking. Well, weekly is not looking bad. Ugly rejection here, but people, this by itself, this candle looks ugly. Keep in mind that we are testing the highs here. It's not so ugly. Keep in mind that we are in the election and we are waiting, we are thinking high volatility is not ugly at all. Look at this one in August. We can do even something like this and still be strong. That's my thinking. Let's see how we'll close. If we'll close red and we'll close rejection, shooting star, whatever you want to call it, okay. But still, look left, I have support, so I'm not worrying about. I'll show you what I see here on weekly. You want to see what I see? I posted already. Weekly and monthly. I even discussed this one on VIP with Abdullah and people from VIP. Yeah, look at this cup and handle. Look at this flag here. Breakout, trying to attempt a breakout here. What do you say? It's possible to be a cup and handle? Could be. Also, Abdullah said something really nice here. Look at this ugly, but still there, inverse head and shoulder. Okay. Well, I saw someone copied me, but it doesn't matter. I didn't invent cup and handle, Stefan. Yeah, I didn't invent inverse head and shoulder. So if someone will see the idea, says, well, look at that idea, looks nice, and will post the same, pretending that he saw that on the chart, I don't care. I'm not here to brag. I'm not here to. That will not make me money if I'll publish an idea first. Yeah, I'll let people think about, well, I have a good analysis on the market. I'm respecting the levels. I'm telling people not to FOMO in and play it cool. So if people will appreciate, will leave a like on this live stream, will, I don't know, join us on Discord. Yeah, we have the free part where they could discuss with me, you, and other gladiators. If they want swing trading and some day trading, they could join premium. If they want to be spoon-fed by you and me, well, that's a different thing. We have VIP for that. Okay, I think we can close now the VIP registration, Stefan, no? Tomorrow morning, I think it's okay to close it for this month and start trading. Reset the journal for November, and that's it. Yeah. So Stefan, please, if you still want, DM Stefan until tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning in the London live stream we'll close the registration. Okay. So this head and shoulder here, depending on the time frame, I don't know, 4 days maybe. It's looking better, but anyway, looks like something. If the market will, for the moment, is going back down, retesting some W's. But if the market will accept above this level, break out and retest. Don't think moon. Yeah, don't be a moon boy. Okay, something like this, and coming back, then we can push higher. So it will take some time. I activated everything here. Sorry, guys. Yeah. Even this will retest. Could be good enough. Well, on daily, yes. On weekly, I don't know. I think if we'll accept above 74, we'll go to kind of ADK. Everyone will say moon, 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 and the market will come back and retest this entire consolidation. And everyone will say the bull market is over, and then the market will show us who's the boss. Kind of idea. Okay? So, market looks strong. Let's appreciate that. Let's focus not on Bitcoins, but on altcoins because they are at the bottom. We can get the last SFU or FU move. That will be the best entry possible. So hunt that one. Don't focus on 69K on Bitcoin. Focus on cheap altcoins. If you have, I don't know, 200K, 500K, $1 million and say, well, I'm okay to double my money. And then focus on Bitcoin, Ethereum. I don't have a problem with that. But if you want 10x, 20x, 50x, come on. Join us on altcoin hunting. Okay? By the way, we have the road to financial freedom. This live stream is supposed to be a review for that plan. But if you look here, well, we don't have more money. Everything is in orders. Yeah, it is working. So we are waiting for market to bounce to give us some shots, and then we can put other orders. Okay? So this plan is free. Join us here. Join us on this list, please. Come and look at the limit orders. It's a bit more complex, but you should be okay too. If you'll put the time and effort, you'll understand what we did here. Okay? This is free. We are not asking for money. Some people, if you have something like that, will say, well, if you want access on my spreadsheet, on my plan, please give me $1,500. I saw an example. Just one-time fee, and I'll show you. People, when you see one-time fee, you don't have access before, you cannot pay for 1 month. Imagine that probably is a scam. I'm not saying it's a scam. Yeah? And we are offering this one for free. Everything what is here, you just come here, make a copy, and it's yours. Do whatever you want with it. And we have some against Bitcoin. You can put against Bitcoin if you want. You should make a copy and look in this spreadsheet and you'll understand. Okay, back on Bitcoin here. Anyway, whatever, I'll look at this chart, looks bullish to me. So cup and handle, inverse head and shoulder, maybe we can test 60K. Well, if I'll activate the ink again, you'll understand. But if you take this low and this high, imagine that 60K is just a long reload zone. Okay, let's find if I don't have one here. Well, look at this one. Yeah, look at this one. Swing low, swing high, long reload zone, it's just below 60K. You saw market going back in the long reload zone and still be bullish? Multiple times. So why not? Anyway, until long reload zone, we have pump chaser zone, and pump chaser zone is here in 64 area. Okay, I'll just show you a brief look. Pump chaser zone, look where it is. Yeah, 64, 62. Back on the other template, please. Okay. So, I could see the market coming here, pushing higher. Everyone saying bull market on, 80K, will go to the moon to $1 million. And then retest, and that will scare everyone. Maybe altcoins will do something nasty. And that will be our entry. Who knows? That's Bitcoin. Now, let's take a look at Ethereum. That's 4 days. Let's see weekly. I think it's better. People, let's be real. We are on weekly chart, okay? We have the swing low from June 2022. We have the swing high. We just barely touched in August 61.8. So seeing Ethereum here, maybe if you're still bearish and Vitalik will get the second girlfriend, who the fuck knows what Vitalik will do? Yeah, we can get in the long reload zone. I don't know. Yeah, we are fighting. What we are doing now, we are fighting 2,500 level. It's simple as that. Look at this level. Look at the fight. Was resistance, become support. It's resistance. It's support, and it's resistance and support in the market. It's destroying the traders there. The beginners, at least, they are dead in a range like that. But a healthy long reload zone means below $2,000. So market pushing another step lower here in long reload zone and making a W is not the end of the world. It's just a usual price action. Please don't say that, well, Ethereum will die and what will happen. Here we don't have enough, confluence for us to short and still have a good risk to reward. Yeah? That's weekly. Indicators are looking acceptable. We can switch to daily because I want to show you something on daily. As long as this channel is valid, we are pushing higher. Okay? We can get a fake out here and we can still push higher. Okay? So don't be bearish here, please. People, how we should trade, I'm talking to the traders, but everyone should know that. How you want to trade an uptrend channel? You want to short the top or you want to buy the bottom of the uptrend channel? Stefan, give them, tell them what we should do in an uptrend channel. Every time you see a fake out here, you buy. You long. Simple as that. I don't see why people are bearish. Honestly, I don't get it. Okay. So, uptrend channel, if we'll aim out and we'll go down, well, okay, we'll change. But for the moment, we are still in this uptrend channel. So, Ethereum, it's a bit more bearish, not bearish. Lower and lazy than Bitcoin, but it's not bearish overall. We are too damn close to the long reload zone to be bearish anyway. Ethereum versus Bitcoin. I said this week and last week, I said, okay, it's enough. Don't think bearish anymore here. Why? Well, look at this indicator. Look at this one. This one is telling us something. Even if we will push lower, we don't have an advantage anymore to short or to think short here. We had a lot of opportunities when everyone was saying, well, I'll change my Bitcoin for Ethereum here or here, exactly at the top on this one. Remember in June 2024? Remember here? There are some people here that they should know what I'm saying. I said, sorry, I respect that trader, but he's doing a stupid mistake. Anyway, now I'm starting to blab away and say, well, don't be bearish on Ethereum anymore. It's enough. It's up to you. I'm not, I don't know, the best trader in the world. I'm not a guru. I'm not even a financial advisor. I'm just a guy on YouTube, yeah? Live streaming and telling what he's doing with his money and trying to keep together a small community full of traders, indeed, strong community, but a small community where we are playing with our own money. Nothing more than that. Okay, so Ethereum versus Bitcoin, even if we'll push lower, it's the end of the move, it's not the beginning. Don't think short Ethereum versus Bitcoin. I'll say it again. DXY, well, we are fighting to get in the short reload zone. Watch, look left and you'll see the EM. So we are fighting that level, nothing special. I think in the election we can push to 105.5, but also we can push back down to retest this V bottom. Simple as that. Total market cap is doing exactly the same like Bitcoin. Total 2 a bit more uglier because we have Ethereum and not Bitcoin in it. And total 3, it's just staying there. But if you are looking at Bitcoin dominance, nothing surprised us anymore. We finally hit yesterday, and today we are at 61.8 short reload zone. I should go on weekly, guys. Well, I'll give you a fine, Catalin, for that. Do 10 push-ups because you are late. Doesn't matter. You'll recover. It's just a public live stream. Is nothing you'll miss. Okay. Bitcoin dominance. You can see it on weekly. We can push higher. Everyone is, well, I'm waiting for 60. Yeah, but 60 is not the end of the world. We can push to 65. I don't know what will happen. Yeah, indeed, we are testing this big EM, but we can test a bit higher. So the logic question is, well, this one will reverse. Well, show me an EM. Well, I don't have an EM. Well, then it's not reversing yet. Okay. Look at this one. Okay, we had this EM, breakdown, retest, the classic, nothing special. And then the market broke down, did a strong bounce here, and then finally, bye-bye. Let's see if we can find something. Well, look at W's. W, small one, breakout, retest, big W, pushing higher. EMs, breaking down. I could look at this chart and nothing special. So, please, if you want to do something on this one, wait for some EMs. It's that simple. Every one of us, I think, has the bags full of altcoins, and we are praying, hoping, dreaming for a altcoin season, for a altcoin bull market. Patience, people. I got a lot of phone calls, a lot of DMs, a lot of, well, when the fuck altcoins will pump? Patience. Patience, because you can stay out for 4 years and be smart enough to join in the last part, and in 6 months you can make all the profits you need, and then go and stay on the sidelines at the pool for another 4 years. We are getting closer and closer to that 6 months period. We did the smart approach? No. We did the best approach, which is safer. Buy the dip at the bottom, sell half on a double, reload, sell half on a double, reload, sell half on a double, reload, get a lot of free coins, and now we are waiting for the bull market in a damn nice and good position. Okay, that's Bitcoin dominance on weekly. I don't see weakness. Nothing. Not on indicators, not on anything. Now, weekly, it's weekly. Let's see daily. I don't see weakness on daily in the price action. Can you see some? No. Indicators? Well, no. Actually, RSI embedded in the overbought area, it's a bullish signal. Now, 4-hour chart? No. It's pushing higher. We have some weakness in RSI, but if you ask some people, like Dalmoody, will tell you, well, this is a nice case for hidden bullish divergence. And he's right. Yeah, this time he's right. It's a good case when you can use that kind of divergence. Yeah, continuation in a trend with a hidden bullish divergence. I'm okay with him. This is the specific case when you can use something like that. So, we are not using it usually in crypto traders arena. Why? It's rarely applicable and hard to see it and hard to use it, and we don't see it every day like we see the regular ones. Now, Bitcoin dominance strong. Until we'll see an EM, I don't think we can think about anything on altcoins. We can think about buying them at the bottom. I saw some of them losing the lows. I was so happy that I know I'll buy them cheap, and I know they could do at least a 10x, at least minimum, it's a 10x for the coins. So I'm loading. Okay, now let's go back on daily, I think. No weakness here. We spoke about the overview. Let's look at some altcoins. I have a short list, guys. Short list, not the best one. Actually, it's a bad one, but I think would give us an idea what's happening in the market. It's all that matters. If you want to trade with us, well, join me in the daily crypto plan. There we are doing analysis on lower time frame. By the way, people, everyone knows, well, they should know, that a stupid trader like me will hunt long ideas here. And I said, well, I don't have time. It's weekend. I want to go with my family. I want to touch some grass. It's fall here. It's nice outside. Yeah. So what's the best approach? I said, well, I'll take the Mountain Man and Shark combo approach. Mountain Man 0.5, Shark 1%. And you can see, for the moment, Mountain Man is well respected. Will hold? I don't know. But Sunday afternoon, before the weekly close, I could see this one pushing higher here. At least at 1-to-1, so I could move my stop to scratch or close 50% to get in a free position. And I'll still keep the Shark in the market. Okay? Because I know some of you are in these trades. Could fail? Yeah, they could, but I don't care because if I'll take this kind of trade 100 times, I'll still make money. So what will happen now doesn't matter. We are in the long reload zone. If you don't have this approach, you say, well, Paul, you can be aggressive, I'm okay, but I want a general setup. I want more reasons to take the trade. Well, you have location now. Wait for a W. Wait for some bullish divergence. We're already starting to have some on different time frames. You can see here on RSI, MACD, sorry. Yeah? MACD is telling us something. OBV and RSI, no, not yet. So, wait for a general setup here. Or if you say, well, not even that. I don't like that, Paul. I want something else. Well, okay. Let's do something else. W the other side of this trend line. Happy with that? That should give you a good idea when the market will push higher. You can see the market pushing higher here, make a W and push all the way up to the all-time high. Or you can see the market ranging here, making a W in the long reload zone and then push higher. Or if you don't see a W the other side of the trend line, don't take the trade. Just wait. Okay, that's Bitcoin on lower time frame. I'll go on a daily and I'll look at some altcoins. For example, a new one. Yeah? New and shiny. Everyone was buying this one a couple of months ago. Remember? When everyone was buying this one here, and at 3.5, everyone said, but $10, $20 is possible for IOL. It's the best thing ever. And now nobody wants it? Come on, people. Why? You don't like it? We have some bullish divergence. OBV indeed doesn't look the best. But you want to chase the bottom here, it's up to you. The best approach, if you are not a trader, you are just an investor or a position trader, wait for a W. Now, we had some W's on 4-hour chart, daily chart, and produced nice results. We don't have a reason to think this time will be different. So even if we'll take the lows, you can think power of 3, or you can think general setup, or whatever you want. Dollar cost average, well, it's a good level to start. Dollar cost average on IEVO from 28 cents. Go as low as possible. Yeah, so looks nice. It's at the bottom. It's a good look. This bottom, it's a good location for a trader to think, well, give me a 1-hour W and I'll be long. That will be a nice trade. Okay, but it's not about this live stream. So join me tomorrow in the daily crypto plan and I'll show you what I see there. Alt, another new one. Everyone was buying this one. And look what's happening now. Well, indeed we have this low, a lot lower. But if you zoom in, this was kind of a W breakout and never retested this level. Well, now we are retesting that level. Maybe it's wise to zoom in and wait for a W there in that location. You can even buy exactly this level. Well, I'll buy this one, I'll put the stop loss here, and I'll leave with the results. I could get a 2-to-1 here. I think you can. Even a 3-to-1. At the end of the request, Roy, please. Yeah, at the end we'll do. Let's look at this list and then we'll do requests. Couple of them. I don't know how many. So, damn good location. Okay, damn good location here. We are in the long reload zone. We had kind of a seek and destroy environment on 4-hour chart, and we talked about that one, remember? And look at how seek and destroy it was. It destroyed everything. But also we have a target with the house level. Shout out to Brian Bimesh. I learned this from him. Actually, guys, I learned 70 to 80% of what I know about the market from Brian Bimesh. So if you want to learn from someone, and it's not me, go and learn from Brian. Well, this house level is telling us that this is a fighting zone. Let's call it that way. It's an area where the market will fight. If we'll accept below this one, look at the next one. Next one, it's a lot lower. Here, at 5 cents. But to reach that area, we need to accept below this one. We'll accept, I don't know, looking left, I think it's a good chance, if Bitcoin will hold, it's a good chance for us to bounce. How we'll know? Well, you'll wait for a double here, and you can take that double. Okay, Bitcoin, Ethereum, we talked. Doge. A stupid trader told you this week, don't be the public, don't chase Doge in the blue area. It's short reload zone, is not a good idea to do like that. Well, now, if you can see a setup, well, maybe. If you want to wait in the long reload zone, even better. But you have a pump chaser zone here. Let me show you. PCZ. Look at this one. Huh? If a bit lower in a W, you have a setup. If you want to wait for the long reload zone, I don't know if we'll reach that area or not. But anyway, wasn't a good idea to chase Doge to the upside here. And we discussed that. I told you the same here at 14 cents. Some people said, well, let's short it. And I said, don't do it. You'll get punished. And look what happened. Fake out and higher. Here I said, don't long, don't be greedy. It's probably the end of the move. Look at the liquidity just was taken out. Imagine people having positions here on Doge. What will happen with them here? They finally could get out at break even. You think after this period of loss, a period of grief, period of high emotions, when they'll get at break even, they'll exit? I think so. So now we're reaching pump chaser zone. Give me a W. It's aggressive, but it's a setup. If we'll get back in the long reload zone, definitely. So learn this kind of simple things. Don't chase the market in the short reload zone. Don't buy here. Yeah, 90%, 95% of the time it's a mistake. 5% of the time in the exponential phase, the market will not care about the short reload. Say, fuck, it's a short reload zone. Let's stay a little bit here. Okay, we rested a little bit. Let's push higher. But that's the exception. And if you are playing like a trader and you are playing like a smart investor, you need the probabilities on your side, not against you. So here you have 95 with 5. It's working for you or against you. Yeah, so I have a rule not to touch the market on the long side if it's close to the short reload zone. If it's already in short reload zone, no, definitely not. Okay, so Doge now, I said this level or this one. Doji, we are not trading this one. I said it multiple times. We bought here, we sold half on a double here, we reloaded, yeah? We reloaded here, we sold, the market push higher, and we are waiting at $1. Will reach that level? I don't know, probably. But if we'll reach that level, I'll reload again. And if we'll reach $2 after that, I'll sell half on a double again. So I'll have 1, 2, 3 free bags of Doji. My money back in my account and a nice position of Doji. I think it'll be a nice one. Hey, Rado. Okay, So that's the approach on Doge here. I'm not chasing, I'm not playing, I'm not trading. No, I'm buying low, selling half on a double and reloading. I want to sell Doge below $5-10? No. Maybe even higher in the correct bull market. Dimension. Similar stuff. Let's hide the ink and you can see here. We are testing the lows. If you'll see W's. Why I'm saying W's at the bottom of the range? Well, look at this W. Look at this one. Look at this 3-bar fractal. Even look at this W. Yeah? So when you see W's, breakout, retest, it's a good idea. I see W here? No, I'm waiting. But if I'll see a W, then I could play a nice setup. And if I'm sharp enough, I could go even on 4-hour chart and look for that W. Yeah? Okay. FET. I'm waiting FET at $1. You know that. Let's put the ink back. This is my area. This is the area where I want to buy FET. A W here, I'll dollar cost average here. I'll start again, I'll play the dollar cost averaging game, and if I'll see a W, okay. But look left. If we'll accept below this level, the next one is 78.6. Yeah, look at this consolidation here. And we never retested that level. Okay? So if we'll push there, Wyckoff check that level, that will be a really nice buying opportunity. Don't think bearish here on FED. Wait for the dip, buy the dip, because this one will probably push a lot higher in the bull market. A lot higher. The best altcoin ever that will go to the moon. Yeah, but not all of a sudden. Remember that people start shilling this one at $20, $22, and they said, well, go to the moon. And I said, well, it's in short reload zone. Sorry, guys. I took this trade here. I made some money here on 4-hour chart, and we exit here. But it's enough. Let's wait for the next W. Manta, similar, is losing the low, so power of 3 will be the best play. Osmo, it's at 78.6 long reload zone. What I noticed in time, in years, is that altcoins on daily love to form the bottom at 78.6 and make a W here. That will be a really nice entry for you guys. Will take some time to form, yeah, 1-2 weeks, maybe more, who knows. So Osmo, wait for a W. Pyth was strong, is back in the pump chaser zone, it's all over the place. I think long reload zone, it's the best approach. Saga, Megaphone, is back in the long reload zone. You see this range. Okay, range, breakout, retest. We are back in the middle of the range. W's, and I'm okay with longing Saga. Here, I told you don't touch it. Repeatedly, I told you at $2 and above, don't touch it. It's seek and destroy pattern. It's not good for us. Now, at 1.5 and lower, W's and I'm okay. At $1, I'm okay without W's. I'm okay with dollar cost averaging. Solana. Everyone was asking when to short Solana. Well, you can see the pattern here. Not the best to short. Just leave it alone. Altcoins or meme coins are still strong on this one. Why do you want to short Solana? I don't get it. If we'll dump, okay, dump, I'll buy the dip. Why I want to short something that is trying to replace Ethereum? Imagine. Solana is trying to replace Ethereum. It's taking advantage that Vitalik has a girlfriend now. And I want to short something like this? No. If I'll see a dip, I'll just buy it. Tao. Well, this is a funny one because everyone was bullish here and, well, we'll go to the moon. And me and Stefan, we said, well, cool it off, it's not that easy. Stefan is even, he's a bit younger, and he said, well, look at this influencer pumping this coin at the top, look at them. Well, I saw it too many times to even care about them. Well, that's the reality. Yeah, influencer will push the top, they'll have some selling orders. If people don't do their own diligence and they are believing what influencers are telling, will become bag holders, and that's how they'll learn the lesson. and they'll sell the bags to the next generation and so on. That's the market. Sorry. So I don't care if someone is pushing the top. Well, don't buy it. It's up to you. You can see my line here. Yeah. 350. Well, nothing unusual. You can see these two candles. I bet this will be a fight zone. I bet this will be a fight zone. If the market will touch this level, not stop here, will go here and here at $300. We'll try to form a double. If we'll form a double, you can push higher. If we'll fail, we can test the lows. Guys, this one started really low. We have here only the history from Binance. But if you take the entire chart, pre-sellers and so on, Tao is damn high. So, up to you. Telling that we'll never touch $350, it's kind of stupid, honestly. TIA, at the bottom. Yeah? At the bottom. I tried something on TIA. They had some unlocks. I tried some trades on TIA. I exit at scratch. I saw a small trade on lower time frame. I took it. Was looking really nice. A 3-bar fractal on 4-hour chart. Let's go 4-hour chart. Yeah. I had this 3-bar fractal here pushing higher. Okay. And when I got a scratch, I said, well, I'll exit. I even tagged everyone on VIP. I'll exit. I don't like it. And look what happened. Anyway. W's on 4-hour chart. Look here. When you see pattern like this, you can buy again. We are getting in a nice location. We never retest properly this level. If you see W's, you can try to long again. If not, wait in the long reload zone. Lower. Let's go back on daily. People, lower. This is not a long reload zone. It's where this one started. On Binance. I'm not saying about pre-sales. I'm not saying initial investors. No. Binance. And we have from $2 to 2.8. It's possible that the people who have coins, they said initially they had a dump of 90% of the coins in the market. Yeah? And people will say, well, I'm not selling my tea at $4. I'll wait. And if they'll panic, they'll see high volatility, they'll panic sell and they'll push the price here. It's possible. If you think it's possible, not probable, possible, put some limit orders here or wait for the market here. On a trading basis, I showed you this W should produce another W on lower time frame and we should have a bounce. But daily and weekly chart, I think it's possible to touch 2.9 on $3. Just my 2 cents. Okay, that was TIA and that was the last one from my list. I want to take my list seriously, one by one. Now, what we have here? We have ES on daily chart. And you can see we had an uptrend channel, market strong like bull. Okay, we aimed out, we broke down. Stefan was sharp enough. I'm not trading ES, so I'll not pay too much attention, but he saw this big M and he saw the breakdown with us and had the retest here. In a bounce, had the retest. He said, well, I'm short there. I know that YAMs on ES are working. Well, Stefan, let me tell you something. YAMs are working on every fucking chart, not only ES. But is Stefan wrong? No, he's right. YAMs will produce a nice result. And specifically on ES, you will see. Just look left. But overall, guys, we are bearish here. Let's ignore the uptrend channel. Well, this was the all-time high from July. And what we did, we accepted, we retested, we pushed higher, we aimed out, but we are still above that level. That's high volatility in the election. It's all it is. They could push it lower, yeah. They could push it higher, yeah. But for the moment, the structure is still strong. So as long as we are above the all-time high, you can see my blue level here, I think we are safe. If we'll accept on daily below, well, that's different. If I'll see here on this uptrend channel, this is like a trend line, valid one. If I'll see yams the other side and yamming out, well, okay. But so far, it's just high volatility in my view. Okay, let's get to some requests. And I'll start with WIF. What do you want me to see on WIF? Let's see. WIF. If and WIF on daily, it's like everything else. You can see the trend line. I probably draw this trend line a lot sooner, and I said W the other side, and we can think about starting bullish again. Well, we are the other side, but we don't have Ws, we have Ms. Okay, we are in a long reload zone. If you consider Binance, if you consider more than that, you have to do your own analysis. Look for long reload zone there. But what I have on Binance, let's draw another long reload zone. Can you see the support here? Can you see the long reload zone here? Can you see us going lower and lower, and here maybe we'll do a W? Show me a daily W and I show you a buy. It's that simple. Well, I use all the time frames, Emmanuel, but usually I'm using 3 days, 4 days, or weekly. 5 days, no, not necessarily, no. So that's my thinking here. Show me a W. Indicators. Well, nothing special. We accepted on RSI below 50. We are getting closer to a location, that's for sure. But nothing. I don't see something special. You can see something bearish if you want. Yam, breakdown, retest, another big yam. So pushing lower here in 1.5 should be normal, and we should wait there for some Ws. So general setup or LJ. Simple. After that one, let's see another one. I have to take a bet for Abdullah. Sorry guys, but if Abdullah is doing a request, I'll take it. USDT. He's not usually asking for this kind of stuff. So when he's doing something like that, well, you can see what I see. I know you already know what I'm seeing here. No W's on weekly, nothing special, only location. This one is looking, it's at 10th floor and looking out of the window and doesn't know if he wants to jump or not. You have to wait to see what will happen, Abdullah. If he wants to jump, let it jump. Pick it up from the ground. Okay? If you are a dollar cost average guy, well, that's the perfect scenario for you. Okay? We can dollar cost average here. Little old lady, yeah, really nice. I like it. But for a trade or for something else, no. It's exactly, imagine, he's sitting at the window, 10th floor, and is thinking to jump or not to jump. If we'll jump, could go from 14 cents to 0. And when we'll make a double, you can try to pick it up. Here, I don't see a setup. I'll go on daily. And still, I don't see anything special here. You know what I need. It's cheap, but you know what I need, Abdullah. Especially you, because you know me from stocks and we discussed a lot of weekly charts. I need my W. And yeah, it's possible to form this W in this tail here. This needs a retest. 50%, 70%, and if we'll W out here, okay. So, conclusion. Dollar cost average, okay. Little old lady, okay. Nibble, like you want to say, it's the same as little old lady. Trade, not yet. Indicators on daily, nothing special on them, you can see. We actually have some bearish structure here, yeah. Some head and shoulder yams, a retest of the 50 line and breaking down. Until we'll see W, and you know the drill, you know me, you know what you should know already from Brian Beamish. First W stops the bear. We don't have the first W. Second W, if it's through 50 line, is damn strong signal to buy. We don't have anything like that. Okay, now if I did that one, now I could go. Grega has a lot of them. Tia, Beam. TIA we discussed already, BEAM in FTM. Let's take BEAM for the moment. BEAM on daily? Well, why not? We have something there. Let's put weekly first. That will be better. Let's zoom out. Well, we have kind of a weekly W, breakout and retest, but now we have an M. What we need on weekly, let's delete this one, it's kind of annoying. Okay, what we need here, if you are a dollar cost averaging guy, okay, it's acceptable. You have the weekly W, close line not the best, wicks and tails, you have the W. I think we need another W. Yeah. We can take an aggressive trend line here and think about W the other side, kind of like this, when we don't have a W yet. But I think this big one could be a really nice trend line. So need some room to grow up. Let's take the aggressive approach. Give me another W. I consider on altcoins, guys, I consider on altcoins the real long reload zone at 78.6 and below. 61.8 is just to draw my attention. If I'm really bullish and I want to chase the market, I'll accept to chase it below 61.8. But it's not the real long reload zone on altcoins usually. 78.6 to 88.6, that's the area. That's the sweet spot. Hey David. So no, not a good trade here. Investing, okay. Let's see daily. Well, I can see some yams forming here, all over the place. No W's yet. So even if you are thinking long, you should take this low, this high, draw long reload zone. What do you say? We are in the long reload zone? I say no, we are not. Not yet, at least. There you go. We need a little bit more to the downside. Indicators, something bullish? No. So not yet. W's in the long reload zone, that's the key on daily for the moment. After that, we have another one, FTM. I'll go on weekly now. Look, FTM. We have it on Binance. Yeah, we have Phantom on Binance. And we even have some drawings, which are kind of let's think about this one. Well, let's zoom in. This one I consider is not valid anymore, nothing to do. I'll take this one with high. You have long reloads on 61.8. I prefer 78.6. Look what happened. Yeah, we had this low, this high. We get in the 78.6. We made a 3-bar fractal or kind of W on lower time frame when we pushed higher in 78.6 area. That weekly W produced a nice 1-to-1 and now it's coming back. Even taking 50 cents is kind of chasing, in my opinion. Yeah, could be a good level to dollar cost average. Yeah, a start. Let's go on daily. I see yams confirming. It's all I see. A small yam breaking down, retest, big yam. I see W's. No, I don't see W's. No W, no trade. The people from VIP and from Premium know the best. No W, no trade. For the short, no yam, no trade. Simple as that. Is the keep it simple approach. So I don't think we have a trade here. We need lower. Okay, now let's look at what we have. Well, Radu, you have AR. Well, let's look at AR. AR. Binance. Yeah, look at this one. Let's look at weekly. Well, Radu, you asked this request multiple times. I'm not upset, but you are asking this about the same. Nothing has changed here. Wyckoff check of this one, W if will be the case. We have location. It's all we have here. Okay, it's all we have here. Location on weekly. Indicators, nothing special. Nothing special. If we'll accept below, we'll form some yams, which is not nice for OBV. But Wyckoff check in this level may be lower here between 78.6 and 88.6. Yeah, look, our specific location. Well, why not? Well, let's go on daily. Well, on daily, no yams. I have this trend line for a possible LJ. You can see. No, we had a fake out here, breaking down. Give me a W the other side of the trend line and I could think. Nothing on indicators. You want me to go on 4-hour chart? You want to trade? Well, I don't see the W, not even on 4-hour chart, so it's looking similar. On 4-hour chart, I could go with the same idea. No W, no trade. So that's about AR, Rado. Now, let's see. ENA 4 hours and daily, and AR on daily and weekly. We looked at AR, ENA on 4-hour chart. Now, sorry, Marius, I'll do ENA on higher time frame, not 4-hour chart. Okay, and I need Binance. Weekly. Weekly is telling me that I should wait in candle body lows for trade location 61.8, 78.6. Yeah, W the other side of the trend line, so not a trade there. Daily chart, a YAM, a breakdown, a retest of the YAM, a big YAM. Yeah, not good. Waiting in the long reload zone for a W will be the best approach. Okay? If we'll see a W, for the moment we have YAMs. So don't be bullish when you see YAMs. That doesn't mean if the market is at the bottom and you still see some YAMs, you'll short the market. No. But you don't long, you just wait. So, ENA on daily chart, no trade. I'll do 4-hour chart, why not? It's simple as that. But I see what I see here. We lost this level and we can push in the long reload zone. And still we don't have a double. And indicators are looking like shit anyway. So no, sorry. We can do a power of 3 here. Well, I don't know if you know how to trade power of 3, but if you know, you know. Well, consolidation, manipulation, accepting back, retesting, and that's your entry. Now we are trying to do the manipulation. We didn't do it yet. So it's too early for that. Okay. Yeah, Abdullah, nibble in the dollar cost average we discussed. It's okay-ish. It's okay, actually. Well, Emmanuel, I suggest to go on, if you want to specifically learn about little old lady, keep in mind what I'm saying, little old lady, risk management approach. Yeah, is not a setup. Little old lady is not a plan. It's a risk management approach. Okay? You go on Brian Beamish. He will be live streaming in 1 hour from now on, and bug him in the comments. Say hello from my part, and bug him in the comments and ask him what the fuck is little old lady and how I could learn that. If you are on our community, people will show you what little old lady means. Little old lady means actually to buy extremely low without a stop loss, with a 1% from your portfolio, so will not break your account if you go to zero. Sell half when the price is doubling, and that way you recover your money and you have a free position. Brian is using little old lady all the way up, so every double he's selling half from what he's left and is doing like that. I'm using little old lady just to accumulate free coins, and then I'm changing the approach. But he's the guy with little old lady. You should watch him, you should follow him, and so on. Da Vinci is not an expert in little old lady, Grega. I could tell you that. Da Vinci learned the little old lady from Brian Beamish. Clear and simple. And he actually okay, and he actually even modified it in the ugly way. Yeah, so don't. Maybe you are joking. If you are a TRI, you're definitely ironic, and I get your joke, but we are talking with people that they don't know. Yeah? Some people don't know that actually Da Vinci was a TRI student, learned his stuff there. I don't think he did anything wrong. He's not a trader by default. He's an investor by default. So it's a difference from the perspective you see. Brian will tell him, well, fuck it, you You destroyed my little old lady approach. You modified it and I don't like it. You are saying that up only in some circumstances, and I'm not okay with that. But from a different standpoint, maybe it's okay. I don't know. I'm not here to judge Brian or Da Vinci. Da Vinci took a easy route. He said, well, why I should fight and make my money as a trader when I could do the influencer route. Easy money, easy life, and so on. So it's about choices. I'm a stupid trader. I prefer the hardest way to make easy money, which is day trading, swing trading. But that's me. I'm not judging someone who said, well, I don't want that. It's a hard way to make money. Okay. Guys, so you can get my perspective. I joined ERI. I found out about ERI from Da Vinci. So don't get me, I'm judging one or the other. So I saw Da Vinci. I saw his videos with $1 Bitcoin. I got his little old lady approach there. And somewhere in the video said, well, I learned from Brian Beamish. Well, who the fuck is this guy Brian Beamish? Let's find out. And I joined ERI and I made level 1 and then eventually I made level 2. Okay? So that's my story if you want a rant. Okay, let's see. More requests. Oh, let's take that one. Versus Bitcoin? I'm not trading against Bitcoin, but I'll do it for you. Why not? Same shit, different pile. Okay. Let's start with weekly. On weekly basis, this one looks, let me show you how it looks. Looks ugly. Losing lows, going lower. Here you have a location. But how low could go, nobody knows. Okay? So, only thing you have is a location. Indicators, let's see the indicators. It looks like, they look like shit. Yeah? EM in the middle of the range, another EM here. If you even think about selling your Bitcoin and buy this crow, I know what it is, but I don't like it. You should wait for a weekly W. At least one weekly W. Look what happened last time. Weekly W, breakout, retest. Okay. Weekly W, breakout, retest. Nice result. Okay. That was in 2019. We had another one in 2021. And now we don't have anything. Yeah, simple. I don't want to look at daily. Yeah, I'll look at. You can see, no, nothing special. Not even a bullish divergence. So I think the best approach, who asked that question? Mr. Loris Bello. Wait for something like this or for something like this if you are trading against Bitcoin. If you have Bitcoin and you want to multiply it, okay. I get your idea. I'm okay with that. But you don't have a W. And by the way, on the road to financial freedom, you'll see here or where we have against Bitcoin. We have a plan on against Bitcoin. I think somewhere in here. You can see. We have against Bitcoin. If you want to trade against Bitcoin or you want to use this plan against Bitcoin, we have on this spreadsheet. It's free on Discord. Road to Financial Freedom channel. Go there, find the spreadsheet, search on that channel, find the spreadsheet, make a copy. It's yours. Say thank you and do whatever you want. Okay. Now back on this one. No W, no trade, and I want a weekly W here definitely. We had a fake out here, but never happened. Stefan, you are not allowed to ask any request. You chew my ears for 2.5 years and you still want requests? Well, what a man can do. Let's take some requests from Stefan. Okay. He's probably trying to show me something, that he knows what he's saying. I know. He's trying to look smart here. He did. Indeed. Look at this blue area. And look at these W's, breakout retest. Well, you have a nice location here, Stefan. Yeah, I know it. Yeah. So if you want to play around here, I'm okay with you. Frame a setup. Taking this level and stop loss here, I don't think it's bad. I don't know if we'll succeed. But it's definitely a nice location. Just imagine, you take the high, you take the low, you are at 78.6. Show me a new W, not only the retest, because you know, if it's a pump a dump, this will break down in my blue area. But if we'll form a W here on daily, from now on, yeah, give me a W here, okay, I'm okay to take the trade. But I know you are a smart ass and you are trying just to show me some nice charts. Not that you need a request. After 2.5 years, day in, day out, I could write 3 books with what we have in the DMs. GLQ. KuCoin. Maxi. I think Maxi has more history, but I prefer KuCoin. Yeah. Well, you can see it. Location, nah, not the best. Weekly W, okay, it's there. How we can frame a setup here? Well, this will become bullish on weekly when we'll do a W the other side. So we need another one. If you want to take the retest of this weekly W as an investor, okay, let's see daily. You know what I'll say, Stefan. You know damn well what I'll say. Draw your long reload zone. Just do it. There you go. Wait here, W, take the setup. The next one. He had another one, so dusk. Let's adapt. Let's see what we have. You can see the location, really nice, below 78.6, above 88.6. We are on weekly chart, retesting some levels, but I'm not okay because we are staying too long here. I want the next weekly W. Okay? Or a daily W a bit lower, Stefan. Next W. Let's see on daily how it looks. Testing the lows. Not the best approach. Okay? So if will give me another W, okay. I need a W there. I don't trust a retest. We have a week. We had a retest. We have another retest and another one. How many retests we give me? It's too easy. No, give me a W. To buy at the top. We are not influencers here. Sorry. Stefan is trying to become an influencer, but an honest one. I don't know if he will succeed. After he will see how ugly the comments could get in the bull market, he will say, fuck it, I don't want it. He'll close his X account. But I'll let him do that. I'm enjoying him, seeing him active on Twitter. Well, he's trying to be a nice influencer, Grega. A nice one, arguing on Twitter for the levels we should buy. I know it's not a good approach. You are here for one thing and one thing only, to make money. Make money and do your stuff. You have a community like we have, well, that's a nice family to have and wake up in the morning, see some nice charts. But to argue with influencers, no. I don't think it's a good idea. Okay. Let's see what Hania is saying. Hania is just laughing. Okay, guys. We have 1 hour and 10 minutes. We did some requests. We even took some requests from Stefan, which is not usually happening. We discussed about Little Old Lady a little bit. Guys, Little Old Lady, I learned Little Old Lady from Brian Beamish. I don't know if he invented the Little Old Lady concept or he learned it from someone else. But that's the question you should ask Brian, not me. I tell you about the pattern, about the risk management approach, Little Old Lady. I'm telling you where I learned it. If you want to go deeper, go there. Ask Brian. Brian, if you go there and you ask Brian, say hello from my part. Okay? In the past, me and Brian were doing some live streams on the Wednesday, but they are gone now. Now we have everyone is too busy. Yeah, and I'm separate. I'm not even on the TRI site anymore. I don't have time, and I don't have the patience for some people. Not Brian. Brian is the best man in the world. Trust me. He's trying to help. He's trying to do it the best thing possible. But it's not only Brian. We have our community. I prefer to stay here to focus on developing this one. If you are an investor and you want weekly charts and you want, I think Brian is better than me and hunting coins at the bottom. He has definitely 10 times more experience. So, Bico chart. Okay, let's go Bico. The last one, guys. I need to do something else. I have 1 hour and 10 minutes. I'm by myself here. Bico chart on weekly. Let's see weekly. We just lost the low on Bico. Let's take this. We lost this one. We lost this one. We had equal lows here. We lost the low. On weekly, give me a W. It's that simple, what I'll tell you. I love the OBV here. Damn strong. I like it. I like it, but give me a weekly W. Could be a fake out and we can push lower. How low, we don't know. So, to be damn sure that we finish the move to the downside and we finish the consolidation, we should at least have a weekly W. If you don't trust me, I don't want to trust me, but if you don't trust what I'm saying, look left. Weekly W, breakout, retest, took some time, but look at the result. Here, ugly weekly W, breakout, look at the result. W, result. No W, no trade. Let's wait. Well, Ivan Brian Beamish. I could look him here on Twitter. I think he start posting. He'll post pretty soon enough because he has the weekly broiler chicken show. Look at this one. This is the guy. This is the guy I learned to invest and trade. Okay, I'll even give you the link in the comments, guys, to be easy for you to find the guy. Now, I learned most of the technical stuff from him. What I learned from Brian, and I think I improved a little bit on our education program, is the process. That's the best thing possible you can learn from Brian. I think I improved it from a trader perspective, because in Capo 1 we are trying to train swing traders. So we put more accent on practical part, and we for the example, you learn 3 months, you'll learn the technical stuff, and the last month, the 4th month, you'll trade with me for 1 full month. You'll not trade side by side with me. No, you'll look for setups, and I'll review every setup, and I'll tell you where you're wrong, and I'll tell you what to do to improve yourself. Every setup from every student. So if I have 20 students, 10 trades every week, which is acceptable. Imagine how much work I have to do every week. But that's how you create traders. Okay. So I showed you where to find Brian Beamish. You can see what he did in the past when the market was a bit different. What he did with 125 Bitcoin. He bet again. He was trading against Bitcoin at that point in time. The result is fancy, $100,000. Actually, by the end of 2017, he had more than 200. So he did a really nice thing there with Little Old Lady. But he used only Little Old Lady, selling half every fucking double. I'm trying to outsmart that plan a little bit. I don't know if I'll succeed. Who knows? We'll see. So guys, on Bitcoin, on lower time frame, let's go for our chart, and I'll finish with that because I know most of you are already from 4 minutes, not 4 minutes, 4 hours. Fuck it. You are from Crypto Traders Arena, and you are at least attempting to be a trader. So I'm in the mountain, man. I can see. We rejected. If we form a W, I think we can go back in the short reload zone. A high volatility in the election doesn't mean only down, guys. Don't get me wrong. Could be up. We can test 72. We can even push higher and then go back down. Kind of dark maul candle, what we are expecting. We'll see. Keep in mind, we are not trying to outsmart the market here. I don't know the result of this trade, and I don't care. I know if I'll take this trade 100 times, I'll be profitable. I'm here to make money, not to tell you where the market will go. If I'll be on the sidelines, for example, and I'll tell you, well, the market will bounce from here exactly to here, and I don't have any trade in the market. Well, I'll tell you, I'll look really nice and fancy. What I did, I predict the market, but I didn't make money. I'm not here to predict the market. I'm not here to become a shiller or an influencer. I'm here to make money from trading, setup by setup, and to keep in check my community. Hopefully they'll get some value from me. Okay. If nothing else, guys. Yeah. So, Hani, I give you even a better answer in the chat about the little old lady, how he developed, for what purpose, and so on. Yeah. This plan, Road to Financial Freedom, is using little old lady in the first part, but partially. Yeah. And the first part of the plan, 2022, 2023, 2024, we'll use little old lady risk management strategy to accumulate free coins. That's simple for this purpose only. This involves buying at the low prices and selling half and double the price and repeating the process. Maybe I wasn't specific enough. Only one shot and reload, not two shots or so on. So I bought low, I sold half on a double, and I'm drawing my long reload zones and I'm waiting to reload. If the market is still pushing higher, I'm not selling because I'm not interested to sell a bit higher. I want to sell a lot higher my free coins. We are not underestimating the power of little old lady, Krega. We are using the power of little old lady. Okay, guys. Now, if nothing else, we played a little bit with some meme coins here, loose and other things, but this is DGN. It's nothing for a trader on higher time frame. I even opened the DGN channel for everyone on Discord for a short period of time. I'll close it pretty soon because it's not for them. If you are not sharp enough, don't even think about this kind of stuff. Anything else? Well, we discussed the levels. Well, we have a new site. Feel free to take a look. It's a nice one. Thank you, Matt, again. Really nice, simple, clear site for us. Explains really well what we are doing in the market. We have premium, what you can get in premium. We have what you can get in VIP. What is Capua 1 about? What is Capua 2 about? Yeah. Our community is based on Discord, so we are jumping in on YouTube to do the live streams. We are going on X to post some setups, but actually our community is on Discord. Okay, so feel free to look at the site and tell me an opinion in the comments if you want. We have a really nice offer at the end. We have a really nice offer for the premium members to compensate the already premium members for their efforts and for the fact that they stayed with us in the trenches when the market was hard. So, see the message is pinned on the premium chat. Go there. If you like the offer, take it. Yeah, DM me, take it. It's limited places. I cannot give that offer for everyone, but we'll discuss that. We'll do another offer for the public next weekend. Probably the offer will be 1 year plus 3 months bonus. I don't know. I'll discuss with Stefan and Mikun. We'll see. Okay. I'll even try to discuss with Stefan and do an offer for December and January for VIP guys. Let's see if we can get something in November to do so. It's Black Friday. I don't necessarily want to do Black Fridays I'm not a fan of Black Friday, but it's a nice way at the end of the year to compensate people that stayed with us the entire year. I think it's a good thing to do some offers at the end of the year. Okay? And maybe prepare for the next year. If someone will benefit from 1 year plus 3 months, that could keep you with us the entire bull market. And you don't need more than that. Yeah, not Black Friday, do a Pink Monday. Well, I'm not a fan of pink either, Sebastian, sorry. Not my favorite color. I'm a classic guy. Sorry, Sebastian. No. I'm old and I'm classic and I'm... You get the idea. I don't like pinky, I don't like kinky, I don't like things like that. I'm a boring guy, thinking that a man should be a man, and you know the drill. Okay. That was it. Study the site and you'll see what we have there. Okay, guys, if nothing else, we discussed nicely in the chat. We did some requests. We had some fun. It's 1 hour and 20 minutes live stream. I think it's acceptable. Usually I love to keep it below 1 hour, but if you have more requests, why not? If I see people, I don't know, enjoying in the chat, I'll keep the live stream a bit more. Even now we have 21 people and people are chatting, telling a joke, or I'm okay with keeping the live streams more if it's the case. I don't like to lose time when I see people bored and me to speak about levels. I don't like that. I'm kind of a guy who likes to hear himself, so I could speak for 3 hours without a break. I don't have a problem, but in the same time, I know that there are better ways to use my time and your time. Okay, leave a like if you want. Retweet the post about this live stream. And most importantly, guys, if you like this community and you want to grow bigger, bring your friends. Quality friends, not moon boys. Moon boys, keep them out. We don't need moon boys. And if I'll see a moon boy with stupid question and I see he doesn't want to learn, right click, you know what I'll do. Yeah? I'm keeping this community nice and clean. So, quality friends, bring them here. Tell them to ask to be verified, stay on free part first time to see what is going on. If they like, we can discuss. Okay? Stefan, good morning. You are still here or you left the chat already? Tomorrow morning, daily crypto plan. I think will be free. It will be for everyone. Okay. Let's call it a live stream. Thank you, Hania. Thank you, Greg. Thank you, everyone. A lot of people in the chat, so I cannot mention everyone. Okay. See you guys. Join Brian in 1 hour. I don't know exactly when he'll start, but join Brian and see what he sees in the market about Bitcoin and market in general. Okay. See you guys. Bye-bye.